Instruments used by Newar. The instruments used in different countries are different. The languages spoken by people are different. But the sound of the instrument fascinates everyone. In other words, it is a world language. It is difficult to understand how such instruments originated. In fact, it is a means of entertainment. However, it is believed to have started from the Wild Age. It is believed that this instrument was developed while making a loud sound to escape from such animals or to scare them away. Later, it started being used as a means of entertainment. Basically, there are three types of musical instruments. 1. Instruments played by blowing air through the mouth, such as flute, murli, conch, etc. 2. Instruments played by plucking strings or strings, such as guitar, veena, violin, sarangi, etc. 3. Instruments made of twisted skin, that is instruments played directly with a stick or hands, such as madal, pachima, dheema, etc. It seems that different places and castes have adopted their own instruments. In the context of Nepal, Tamangs, Newars, Gandharvas, and Damais have adopted their own instruments. For example, Tamangs play the Damfu and Tungna. Gandharvas play the Sarangi. Damais play the Panche Baja, Nomti Baja, and Nevaris play the Lalkhin, Dha, Malipu, Nagra, Pachima, Neki, etc. Today we are talking about the instruments used by the Newars of Nepal. In Nepal, the Newar community is a community rich in culture, tradition, and instruments. The Newars use different instruments in various festivals, dafa bhajans, auspicious events, etc. The Newar community is considered a community with its own original musical instruments and excellent playing methods. Since ancient times, the Newar community has been living in the Kathmandu Valley. The Newar community has a vibrant culture of performing festivals every month, and performing dafa bhajans every day. Among the various instruments played by the Newar community, the Dhime instrument is considered the most favorite instrument. Among the Newar instruments, the Dhime is an important instrument played during festivals. Bhucha, Sichya, and Dhime are played together. In ancient times, after the death of Sati Devi, Mahadev became disillusioned and started wandering all over the world. While wandering, he sat at the foot of an old tree. A strange idea came to Mahadev's mind that he should make an instrument bigger than the damru. In the same process, he cut down an old tree and made a dhime out of the bark of the tree and played it. It is said that the dhime is Mahadev's favorite instrument after the damru. Wherever the Newar community lives in Nepal, even if no other instruments are played, the dhime is inevitably played. The dhime instrument is the only instrument whose melody makes everyone happy from the bottom of their hearts. When playing the dhime, the pucha, a stick of a lute, is played directly with the other hand. The development of the dhime instrument has spread from Bhaktapur city to Lalitpur and Kathmandu and has spread abroad. The Timi area of Bhaktapur is considered synonymous with dhime. In the case of Bhaktapur city, the slow music is played in comparison to other places. In Bhaktpur, especially in Talakwa, Suryamdi, Tuchimala, Nagancha, where there is a majority of Prajapati, Kumha Boli is played. In other places others play Jaipu Boli. Similarly, many types of musical instruments have been played in the Newar community since ancient times, such as Lalkhin, Dha, Malapu, Nagra, Mriganda, Pachima, Dhalak, Nekhin, Harmonium, Tan, Pasta, Ponga, Jhalija, Kokhin, Dhulu, Tititalacha, Chati, Ka, etc. Today, these instruments are on the verge of extinction. Some of them are disappeared. The musicians of the Newar community are no exception to this. It is up to us to preserve our own language, culture, and customs. Others don't save them.
यो कुन के को छाला प्रयोग हुन्छ यसमा ए बाख्राको ए ए ए ए
यता लट्ठीले हान्नेमा चाहिँ गाईको पनि प्रयोग गर्नुपर्छ
त्यसलाई खी भन्छ हैन यसलाई खी होइन
घाँ भन्छ
घाँ यो यसले
यो मादल भयो
ठुलो माडल भयो यसलाई पश्चिममा यो भयो खी हैन
यो पनि थिएमा यो चाहिँ एकदम सोलाई राख्यो
सोलाई पुरानो कति वर्ष पुरानो भयो होला
यो अब भन्दै छ काठको अवस्था हेर्दा कोही कोही त 100 वर्ष पुरानो पनि हुन्छ धेरैवटा
यसलाई नाखी भन्छ यो नि
यो घाँ भयो
यो ढोलक
यो चाहिँ कोकिङ भन्छ यो
कोकिङ
हजुर
कोकिङ
कोकिङ यसको चाहिँ हजुर यसको पछाडि पाल एउटा पनि हुन्छ यो नि प्रयोगमा आजकल धेरै छैन
त्यति प्रयोगमा आउँदैन यो चाहिँ प्रयोगमा आइरहेको छ लालाखिङ यो पनि लालाखिङ त्यो बनाउनको लागि तयारी गरिरहेको अनि यो सानले के भन्छन्
यो तबला हो
ए तबला हो
हजुर अब यसमा गट्टा राख्न बाँकी छ अहिले मर्मत
अर्को तबला खोइ त
यसको जोडा अहिले ल्याउन बाँकी छ यो
त्यो पनि सानो जस्तो छ अलि
हजुर
फ्याट हुनुपर्ने यो
अहिले यस्तै सानो नै प्रयोगमा आउँछ पहिला पहिला अलि यो तबला चाहिँ ठुलो हुन्थ्यो तमल चाहिँ अनि बाम चाहिँ सानो सानो
त्यस्तो हुन्छ
अहिले चाहिँ ठ्याक्क उल्टो भएछ समय
आवाज अलि म्यानेज गरे होला है आफू पतासी
Ini pungan.
Ya.
Pachima.
Chalica.
Susya. Alak.
Naiki.
Koki.
Mata. Cemata.
Dulu dah itu nak tu cuma boleh video. Dulu titi talaca, soti, kong, ponga boleh ponga.
Talaca. Soti.
लम्बा टाइम ढोलक चाहिन्छ बरौरा मुराली गुजराती उषा चाली म्याकिङ यस्तो हो र यो अलि ठुलो चिनी आर्मी सही खाले
यी बाजाहरू के के पर्छ भन्नु
फेस्टिभलमा
यिनीहरू भजन गाउँदा पर्दैन
प्यारिङ सङ
र हाम्रो यहाँ चाङ्गुमा राखेर नाच पनि